here we are again. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right? So today we're talking about gift funds because a lot of my clients are, first-time home buyers, can't afford their first house necessarily. Maybe mom wants to help, or dad, or uncle, or who knows who, or even like you're buying it with your partner and they don't want to be on the mortgage. There's all kinds of scenarios in which gift funds become a thing. So first off, they are possible. You can get gift funds even with a conventional loan. And then two, there are a couple of tricks that you should know. So number one, do not do this. Do not have mom, aunt, sister, or cousin give you the money and deposit it into your account. That is a no-no. So unless you have 2 months at least for that money to sit in there and look like it's your money. Typically gift funds, they're going to need to sign a letter that says this is a gift and it's not a loan. Obviously it can't be a loan because then that's going to mess with your debt to income ratio, because that's going to be like another credit card debt or anything else that they would have to include in your debts. And then, the other thing too is talk to them about how much. I mean, with FHA, they can gift you almost all of the down payment. So there's some pretty cool stuff about gift funds, but do not take the money and deposit it into your account unless you have several months to wait before you buy a house. And then two, expectations. If someone's giving you gift funds, they're going to have to be a part of the loan process. And I know that's kind of stressful because a lot of times they just want to give you money and be done, but that's not how this goes. So they're going to give you money and then they're going to have to sign paperwork that says, yes, it was a gift. They're sometimes going to have to give the lender a copy of the bank account showing where that money came from. It came from here. It's my money. This is where I got it. That kind of stuff. So just prepare whoever's being so kind as to give you money that they're going to have to be a part of the process, and they might have to provide some paperwork, and it's going to be, confidential financial documents that sometimes people don't particularly love sharing. So having that conversation up front helps a lot in the long term so that they're not surprised and irritated when they have to come up with a bunch of paperwork. Those are really the two big things that I see that most people don't know about and that can be frustrating in the process. But other than that, yeah, ask grandma. She'll probably help you out. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and we will see you next Tuesday.